Hey guys, so this is a checkup on Galaxy. Her babies are born. Hi. Chiquito, get out of the sun. You can't be in the sun.
Let them get in the sun a little bit. No.
Okay.
Maybe it's
Oh, you're so cute. Hi, you guys.